Hello and welcome. My name is Daniel Fritz. I'm the VP of Products here at SmartVault. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to use the new custom mappings feature for SmartRouting. This supports the CCH Access, Drake tax, and UltraTax. So today, I'm going to focus in on UltraTax. So navigating into your SmartVault, you can access the SmartVault settings by navigating to Settings and choosing SmartRouting. Within this, I'm going to choose to adjust and edit the mapping details. I'm going to choose the one with or without postal code. It doesn't really matter, whichever one is going to work with you. Once you come in here, you will see two columns. On the left is the document name that we're expecting from UltraTax. You'll see here I have all of the various default names, but here you'll notice that I have changed archive tax return to client copy. On the right, you'll see the actual mapped SmartVault tag. These are set up within your folder templates, and they correspond to the folder of which this document will be routed when you're performing the smart routing action. By clicking into this, by default, it is chosen to be the prepare copy of the tax return for the archive tax return. In this example, I am changing that from the prepare file copy to the client copy, and I have adjusted the name of this document to be client copy. Let's navigate over to UltraTax. In order to make these changes, simply go to Setup and choose Office Configuration. On the tabs up at the top, you're going to choose the bottom right option, which is Print Options. And right above the Done, you're going to see the PDF file options. Here, the position of the file names do need to be in this setup. And what we're going to do is we're going to navigate to the Document Names tab. Currently, I have not selected to choose the custom names, but we're going to adjust that. I'm going to add this, and I'm going to place client copy in place of archived tax return. By doing this, whenever I print the client copy of the tax return, UltraTax will rename that file to client copy instead of archived tax return. By hitting OK, we're going to navigate and close out all of those options. To Smart Route, I'm going to choose Print. I'm inside of Brian Young. He's one of my clients. And for this example, I'm going to choose electronic delivery and PDF to file. I already have my PDF file location set to Smart Routing. So let's go ahead and assemble. As a prerequisite, I already am logged into the connected desktop for Brian Young. What I would like to point out is that I currently don't have a TY23 folder. I'm using, in this example, the 2023 version of UltraTax just for demonstration purposes. So let's go ahead and hit assemble. So when this is calculating and producing the client copy of the tax return, my expectation is that we will create the engagement folder set for tax year 2023, and that document will automatically be routed to the client copy, client tax return folder where I have the client copy tag associated inside of SmartVault. So let's take a quick look. So I've completed. Now I see TY23 in here, and I have client tax returns with the document inside of it. So let's go ahead and refresh and see this document popping over here. And there you'll see that the 2023 client copy has routed appropriately to the client tax returns folder as expected. Note that this is by default one of the shared folders that we have within SmartVault. And this, just like any other folder, file can be opened inside of the connected desktop. And what we will see over here as I pull it over is the actual client copy of the tax return. Thank you guys so much, and have a great day.